Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. See, today I'm going to take you to central London. Yeah, as you can see, we are on the elevator here. दोनों साइड में एलिवेटर है, दोनों साइड में वॉल्स है एंड एलिवेटर में है दो ही आदमी खड़े हो सकते हैं इधर एंड दोनों साइड में एडवर्टाइजमेंट है, कंपनी का एडवर्टाइजमेंट लगाया है इधर देखो, इधर में भी देखो, these are paid advertisements. ओके सो अभी देखो हम बाहर जा रहे हैं. सी दिस, so if we want to go cross the station, tap your card and come out. So as we came here, as you can see, this is basically central London, North London, where all the corporate offices and all are situated. Okay, so now we are crossing the other side. The signals have stopped. The signals are given. Vehicles are stopped. Yeah. So here again there's a crossing. This is the railway station downstairs. As you can see here. We have crossed over here. See, both the sides there are corporate offices over here. Here, and all big brands are situated here. As you can see how tall the buildings are. The heritage is maintained here. The basic thing of Europe is that they like to maintain their heritage buildings. It's a very big thing over here. Again, going ahead, you can see here the buses. Even the buses are double deckers over here, as you can see, and there's a bus stopping. The bus also stops in a particular lane. They cannot stop anywhere. Okay, and they can also travel in a particular lane. As you can see, here the traffic lights are on. There's a stop signal over there. Here, this is a Crown Street 314. We are walking towards. I'm taking you here. My friends, these buildings are so tall and so well maintained that once you go inside, one will be astonished. So well maintained. Even here the bus has stopped here. Basically, here there are small restaurants over here. And now there's a clock over there, and there's a Christmas tree so well decorated. This is a church over here. The church, देखो आप लोग. इधर तो I will just show you how it is written. Welcome, and the Church of All Souls, Langham Place. Church है, heart of the city में है ये. So see the doors and all so well carved, so well painted and carved. Okay, these are real old structures. देखो ये square है completely, बहुत बड़ा junction है. How well it is maintained. Now इधर देखो तो this is a BBC building. This is like a convex building. The whole building is a BBC building, but it's a convex type shaped. Okay, so as you can see, it's very tall. Just see the shape completely. जाके अंदर, this side also building, this side also building. See the windows, see the structure. It's the old building, but so well maintained. Yeah. This is completely the corporate, where all the corporate structures, all the corporate buildings are situated. See the junction, all the buildings. See, I have shown you the view. See the clock over there of this BBC building. See, as you can see. So well it is maintained. All the windows are closed because it's very cold over here. You can see the lights are there inside. The people are working there. So basically even the roads are very well kept. The roads are clean. There are dustbins everywhere, because if we eat something, if we eat something and just throw it on the roads or something like that, then you get fined, you get a penalty for that. देखो ये होटल है इतना, it's a very big hotel, plus the corporate offices are also here. See, it's already decorated, so well decorated for Christmas. छोटे छोटे trees है, छोटे छोटे trees को already वो लोगों ने lights लगाया, but it's very beautiful. And थोड़े round जो है वो लोगों को decorate किया buildings के साथ. Still we are going ahead, as you can see. ये टेलीफोन बूथ से इधर रेड में देख सकते हैं आप लोग. किसी के पास टेलीफोन नहीं है, एक 1 पाउंड डाल के इधर एक कॉइन डाल के 1 पाउंड यू कैन मेक अ कॉल कर सकते हो. ओके, सो these are the facilities the government is offering over here. So the footpath is very broad, so the people can walk nicely here. So there is a freedom for movement nicely here. The doors of the buildings are very strong. Here everything is via appointment. Even if you go to the office, if you want something, you want to go to the consulate, so if you want to go to the important corporate offices, everything is via appointment. They will not entertain you without appointment. You take the appointment. In that appointment you take a picture of the appointment or take the printout and then go to the offices if you have any work, especially in the corporate offices. This is both the sides buildings. Now as you can see, the buses are passing through, the traffic light is on so that the vehicles can pass through and the passengers can stop. See, now people are crossing, so the vehicles has to stop here. See how the building here, this is the Langham building again, where all the big brands are situated over here. As you can see here, there are, for this city, my dear friends, this city is one of the busiest cities. Okay, and so lot of vehicles, you cannot go very fast. So either here there are a lot of there is a charge called as congestion charges, and they charge around 6 pounds congestion charges. Specifically this is because this is in central London, and these are the routes here shown. And parking charges is also 6 pounds over here, 6 pounds for 2 hours. But whereas this is in central London, that is North London, which is what you say, the main London. Okay, and if you go in Hounslow, that is southwest London, with interior, they charge 150 to 2 pounds only for 2 hours. So, and here we cannot renew it. If you have to after 2 hours, then that penalty starts. That will be big money, maybe 60 pounds, maybe 80, 100, 120 pounds, big money. So now you can see the restaurants, all bar one. So you can come have a coffee, chocolate, sandwiches. See how they are decorated, Christmas trees and all are inside. All I want for Christmas here. Well lit, well kept. It is like that. See, innovation by Spacepack. We have to cross the road. Here it is red signal here. So people has to stop. Once it is green only you can cross. As you can see, you have crossed here, so it's green now. Now here, as you can see the spaces, here there are, this is space NK, here this is like beauty shop, beauty joy. So what we do, we buy here lot of creams and put it in this boxes. These are the presentation boxes. You can gift it to your friends, colleagues. Similarly here, a gift to write your story here. Also they buy the gifts like bags and all and put it in a gift shop or the box, and they can be given as presentation directly. Here just see, my friends, the coffee shops are so well kept, so well lit. The people are so disciplined over here. They come, they have a cup of coffee, they relax. Even they don't keep anything on the table. Once they finish, they themselves, they'll have to put it in the dustbin. Also the service is self-service over here mostly. See, H&M, this is another brand where they say all the good clothes. Yeah, not very expensive, but it's a good brand, average good brand. So because Christmas is coming now, there's a lot of sale around, so people are, and also there was a lockdown, so lockdown is just lifted up, so people are just running to do the shopping. Okay, then there's Disney's, another shop, which is a lingerie shop. Here you can see the people dancing. It's a charity organized. The music is theirs. It's a charity organization. From here they collect the money and send it to Africa to support the Africa or any other country to support the downtrodden, I mean the unfortunate kids, or for a cancer support. A lot of different types of charitable organizations are there where they sing on the streets and they collect the money and send to the country. And SPCC, you can see the uniform. Yeah, they have worn a mask and all, dancing. One person is playing the band also. You can see the people playing the band. See, this is the way they collect the money for the charity.
Nothing, I said I don't want.
Here also some people are there to sell the books. Selling the books, this money, old books these are. This money also goes to the charity. Okay, in their country, or yeah, mostly to support for charity. See here, this is now here we are going. See both the sides. This is Disney's, as I mentioned earlier. See again, all four sides that are building. This is a big junction again. So like that, my friends, in this city, a lot of junctions you'll come across. Okay, this is basically an Oxford Street now. Here there is Topshop. Topshop, these are the high branded shops, very high brand. Again, this is 50% discount because there is a Christmas here. अभी Christmas आ रहा है, इसलिए 50% discount. बहुत discount में discount चल रहा है, इसलिए there is a lot of shopping. So ये Oxford Street है अभी. इधर Oxford लिखा है, currency exchange. अभी देखो, there's a small kiosk over here where they sell some juices and some coffee and snacks. Goody. Again, there are some small takeaways. So, hello friends, that's all for today. So please like, share and subscribe and give a good thumbs up, and for more updates in my next video. So please share and subscribe. Thank you my friends. Bye. Take care. Love you all and see you in the next video.